Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangalore This is a lease house, 3 BHK, built on 40 by 60. First floor of this building is available for lease. Just 3 houses in the property. 3 BHK, spacious house, north facing, marble flooring, 2000 square feet, spacious living, dining, kitchen, 3 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. Car parking is there. Property is just 600 meters from Old Madras Road. If you know Pi layout, this comes near to Tin Factory. Gopalan Mall, Bayapanahalli metro station is nearby. Those working in Mahadevpura, Bagmani Tech Park side, Old Madras Road, this is a good option. So this is the large living and dining. Separate kitchen is there. Semi-furnished house. Few furnishings are included. So in the description, I have mentioned all the details. This video was shot about 1 week back. Right now, the house is ready for occupation. Once you visit the property, if you are interested, immediately the painting and cleaning will be done and you can move in. 3 years lease period. Lease means you pay the advance security deposit, which will be refunded after completion of the period without any interest, and there will not be any rent to be paid. Only the maintenance, water and electricity has to be paid. There is no rent. Please read the description for full details of this property. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.